Hello and welcome to CloudFolks HUB. My name is Bhavesh Atara. Now you are completely aware about application integration, means you know that how two applications or microservices are communicating with each other. So we are going to start learning different AWS services related to the application integration, and we are going to start with API gateway. So let's start. Now before I am going to give you API gateway introduction, I want you to just repeat all these things. We use APIs to communicate between two different applications or microservices. In most cases, this communication is synchronous, meaning that caller must wait for the response. In real application, you may have multiple APIs for the different features. Managing all this API individually become difficult. API gateway helps by acting one central entry point for all APIs. Means you have 10 APIs for your web application or mobile application. You want to manage all of them centrally. Now in this case, you are going to use API gateway. It manages, secure and control every API from one place. Here, this picture is actually providing you more detailed explanation about API gateway. Now look at this. These are your backend API. These are your client accessing your web application, and they are actually going through the API gateway. So let me explain you this. API gateway is fully managed AWS service that works as a single entry point for all your backend APIs. Think of it like this. API gateway equals to security guard of your API gateway, plus it is going to control traffic, and it is also going to work as a manager of your API. Whenever a client, here we have this client, it can be mobile app, web app, other microservices, send request. It is sending request over here. It first hits API gateway, means client cannot directly going to connect your backend APIs. They are actually going through API gateway. API gateway checks everything. The API gateway forward the request to the correct backend API. Now it can be in EC2, Lambda, ECS, EKS, it can be any. Now I am giving you one simple example so you will get better idea about API gateway. If your backend API is house, API gateway is main gate that decides who is allowed to enter your house, how many people can enter at a time, who should be blocked, what logs need to be recorded, how traffic should be controlled. You don't need to write extra code to manage all those APIs. API gateway handle all of it for you, and it is a managed service, so you do not need to provision any infrastructure. API gateway is fully managed AWS service that provides single entry point for multiple backend API. One API gateway can handle all your APIs together. Okay, so this is like a very simple introduction. Here I am going to give you an Ola Uber example so you will get better detail about API gateway.
Sorry to interrupt you. I know you guys are enjoying our video a lot because our final ultimate goal is Solution Architect Certification exam. To reach the destination, we required full videos. Path number 1, our 6-in-1 program. Our 6-in-1 program include all prerequisite skills which is needed as a cloud engineer. It include 24/7 support, lifetime update, section-wise practice test, full course practice test with tips and tricks by Bhavesh Atara, how to do exam preparation course, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Atara, and 6 AWS project with documents. Path number 2, you can enroll by paying $499 and get Hindi and English, both the languages videos of AWS. The choice is yours how to create your success story by choosing best one. Best of luck. Thank you.